Hello, my beautiful people. I am back with another message from Spirit, from the Divine. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Let's tap into your energy. Let's see what you need to know. How can I help you? Let's see. Show me the cards that I need to see. Okay, show me the cards that I need to see. Okay, first card we have here is the Queen of Wands. Second card we have here is the High Priestess in the reverse. And then we have the Nine of Wands in the in upright. So I feel like you might have been deceived. You might have been blocked from seeing the whole truth of something, okay? There's something here that maybe you've been doing, you've been putting a lot of effort into, you've been giving a lot of energy to something, and I feel like there's something that you're missing. There's something that even you want to know what this is, because I'm getting here, it's just like confusion and cloudedness. There isn't no clarity right now. And I feel like you're also like guarded up because you can feel this. We got the Tower. So I feel like a lot of things have been happening. A lot of maybe eye-opening things have been happening. And I feel like it's making you second guess. It's making you like, am I even doing the right? Am I even in the right spot? Like, what is going on? We have the Empress card. So I feel like you're in the midst of a transition. There's something new that is coming about, and this involves you. You're creating something new, whether this be a mentality, a love, a connection, a job, a career, a hobby, whatever this is. There is something new coming about this. Yeah, I feel like whatever it is that you're doing is going to be very successful, okay? Whether that's the relationship, whether that's the job, the hobby, whatever this is going to be successful, okay? And however you define success is really on you, but I'm seeing here, this is going to be successful, okay? Okay, but I'm seeing with the Eight of Wands in the reverse, I'm seeing like slow progress. You're not seeing much of a change. You're not seeing much success at the moment, but it's gonna happen, okay? With the Ten of Pentacles, it's gonna happen. It's just, it's taking some time to come to you. It's taking some time, okay? Even if it's clarity that you're looking for, it's gonna come to you. It's like slowly revealing itself to you. I didn't even notice this. We have the Four of Pentacles in the upright. I mean, in the reverse. So, I feel like things are really stagnant for you at the moment. Nothing is really going the way that you want it to go. It just isn't. It's like it seems like a streak of bad luck. It literally seems like a streak of bad luck. I feel like somebody here is also indulging in excessive gratification, whether that be spending or just having this excessive addiction, wanting more is coming up. There's some sort of addiction coming up. Okay, we got the Page of Swords. Okay, let's see what this Page of Swords is about. Alright, we got the Queen of Cups, the Six of Cups, and the Two of Swords. I'm getting there's some sort of lack of love, some sort of lack of appreciation, some sort of lack of respect and decisions that's been made, that it's triggering you. It's triggering you, and it's making you go back to a traumatic space of when you were a kid. It's bringing, like, it's giving me childhood wounds are coming to the surface, and they no longer can be suppressed. That's what it's giving me. It's giving me, oh, it's overloading. It's overloading. It's overflowing. Something here is overflowing. Yes, baby? Hold on one second. Okay, excuse me. I'm back. Okay. We got the King of Swords. So someone here isn't taking care of you the way that you want them to be. Someone here isn't even acknowledging you the way that you want them to be. I feel like you want this person to be more sympathetic towards you, more passionate, more empathy, and they're not having that. They're being very cold, distant, kind of just like over the shit. They're over, it feels like they're over this connection here, is what I'm getting. And that doesn't mean that's the case, but it's the energy that you're feeling. It's what you're feeling. You're seeing this tired energy not giving you what you need, and it's really bringing you to a space of trauma, of neglect, of the way you felt when you were a child. Let's see if I can get one more card. All right. Knight of Cups in the reverse. Oh yeah, this person is just I feel like because this person is doing this, this is causing you to be the Knight of Wands. Like, you're out of touch with reality. You're being unrealistic. You're being lazy and unreliable. You're very discouraged at the moment. You're very moody, emotional. There's a lack of creativity. There's a lack of brightness in your life right now. And damn, I feel it, and I'm sorry that you are feeling this way. Spirit wants you to know that nobody needs to show you. The expectation is what's killing you. Let it go, and love yourself enough to pick yourself back up. You don't need anyone to save you. You have to save yourself. I'm going to leave this message here.